We have the breakfast location, the palm trees, Carolina, and the beach in the pool. We arrived in Koh Samui and we're in Wat Phra Liam. It's super hot, Amor.
Super hot. And I need to use this to cover my shoulders to visit the temple.
And I need to use this not to get a burnt red neck because we just rented a scooter. The big laughing Buddha up here.
Buddhai or Laughing Buddha is a Chinese monk named Kuishi.
Here behind me you see Wat Phra Liam, the big Buddha temple of Koh Samui. We just been to the fisher market and going back to the hotel now. The room that we are staying in, the master bedroom, bathtub, shower area. I'm going to the pool. We are staying in this beautiful hotel resort, Royal Muang Swang. We're gonna stay here for 5 days, enjoying the behind us direct access to the beach.
We are staying at Choi Mon Beach.
Chiang Mai Beach, a lot of resorts attached to it. It's also open for the public. You can walk in maybe like 50, 60 meters in the water until your knees. There's umbrellas, jet skis. Having dinner at the beach and I'm gonna do a fire show.
We've always found you. I did it my way.
We're now in a quick speedboat going to the Antong National Marine Park. It's a park with more than 40 islands and we're gonna do canoe hiking to a viewing point. Snorkeling. We just did some snorkeling. Here we see number 23 and 24 of the 41 islands. They're numbered. Monkey Islands. We made it all the way to the top. The viewing point, many of the islands. We're here at the Blue Lagoon. There it is. The color is like this because of all the minerals inside it, coming from the mix between the salty water and the rainwater. We stay at Samui Island and we are now in Phangan Island. We went to canoe. We're gonna canoe in the bay and we're in the middle of the park. Are you enjoying?
Yeah, but it's warm.
On to the next island. Short stop in the very clear water with the canoe and the cliffs. The official banana pancakes. Walking in the clear water. Beautiful weather. Little cloud to protect us. Getting tanned. Carolina on a floaty. We're gonna be here for a couple of hours and then we're gonna do the trip around the island with the scooter. We're going to Magic Garden. Let's see. We are taking a scooter ride past the island more to the south. We're gonna first go to a healthy restaurant and then we go to the magical garden and waterfalls.
Sounds nice.
It's hot. To the Magic Garden. The garden is built by a durian farmer. In the middle of the jungle in Koh Samui.
Lanoi.
We're now in Lanoi Beach. I'm going to see the sun set. Carolina. And the sun. Getting a tattoo. Look how blue the water is and how white the sand is. Gorgeous. I think even prettier than in Cuba, in Varadero.
This is what they call a white beach. And that's not only because of the sand color, but because it's a superior beach. This is a premium quality beach. A first class beach. Woo-hoo-hoo! We decided to rent a jet ski. Having a fun ride. The sea is a little bit wild. The hotel is over there in the back with some other jet skis. The temperature is perfect. Are you scared?
A little bit.
We just finished the jet ski ride. How did you?
It was very fun.
Carolina even drove herself very quick. We're now at the airport of Koh Samui. And here's a garden. And here's the roof. Oh no, there's no roof nor air conditioning. And there's the gate. Let's go. We decided to rent the car. And I'm sitting on the right hand side with the steering wheel and the shifting left. To where are we going to?
Ayutthaya.
Ayutthaya. First stopping in a restaurant car to eat some food car. This morning we left Koh Samui. We took a plane to Bangkok, hired a car, driving to Ayutthaya. We're now having a short stop in a restaurant. The restaurant is called Mong Ampu. This is the river Menam and we're going to Bang Bang Royal Palace. And here you see they have their pool to create their own fresh fish. Here they store all the shrimps. Wow. With a fresh mango smoothie and a cold water. We just got in this box. And we're crossing now the Naman River.
Super juicy and fresh.
And this is the other side of the island. We just ate there in that little house. We are now going to visit the historical city of Ayutthaya. 35 degrees, the heat is unbearable. You see many people in traditional clothes, like this young princess. We just checked, it's 40 degrees, 40. Many years ago, this was part of a city and the only thing left is ruins. It got destroyed over the years. Welcome to the ancient city of Ayutthaya. We are at the floating market of
Ayutthaya.
In Thailand, you will see a lot of places with elephants. Some of them are ethical and a lot of them are still non-ethical. You shall see here. We are now visiting the Grand Palace of Bangkok. Here's where the royal king lived. I must say this is very impressive. The Grand Palace on the background, very beautiful, with a garden, and Carolina. This is the biggest laying Buddha of the world. It's 70 meters long, they say. We're in the tuk-tuk. For breakfast, we decided to
For lunch.
go for a hamburger place, and then we come here, and this is his house home restaurant. So from the outside it looks like a restaurant, and when we got in, it's a house, and we're sitting on people's couches. And he said, "Oh, I make you a homemade burger." I said, "What are the options?" He's like, "Beef, chicken, or
Pork.
No fries, no nothing, just burgers."
Let's try it.
This is the burger. It's super juicy, taste well, it's amazing. We're in the theater going to a traditional Chinese dance. Tradition. We are in the middle of Chinatown. I mean, I have been to China and it looks exactly like this. Kaosan Road. We are at the end of our trip, end of our vacation. We're about to finish the last night, go home. I really enjoyed vacation with you.
I love it.
Thank you for watching Cobra vlog, and see you next time.
Cobra.
Y muchas gracias. Hasta pronto.
Saludos
Salud.
a toda esa gente de Países Bajos, holandeses, ¿no?
Sí. Bye.
Bye.